Hello guys, SIII Gameplays, I'm Fabio Pisco and welcome to my channel. So for today's video, we'll actually have the unboxing of the RX 6500 XT from XFX and the model being the QICK or the QICK 210. Well, it happens that I actually asked AMD to send me a GPU like this one, like the 6500 XT for quite some time, and they actually told me that they didn't have many samples, and I was like, sure. What I did is I bought one, like normal people do, of course. I bought one and I will now bring you tests, I'll bring you benchmarks, I'll bring you comparisons, and I will bring you several other things like this video of the unboxing. Really hope you enjoy the video, and as always, what helps me actually buying these cards are the fact that you are watching and also the sponsor of today's video. Today's video sponsor is GVG More, where using my SKG discount code leads to a 25% off across several products, making a Windows 10 serial key only $16. After the payment, you'll receive the key in your account, and all you need to do is to introduce it in your Windows settings, and bam! You have an activated system. So guys, now on the unboxing part, I'm gonna show you the RX 6500 XT. So let's start from the front. We have just the QICK or the QICK, be my guest, 210 XFX QICK quick slash blah 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 210 black, play hard, AMD Radeon RX Speedster, sorry, the 5500 XT RDNA2, 4 GB, 1080p Full HD, PCI Express 4, and 550 million gamers play on AMD Radeon. Now, like I told you before, I'm just buying this card because, well, you guys kept asking me to review this card, for example, against the 580, and I asked AMD for a card, and they were like, okay, we have no samples, and I was like, sure, you don't, and then I ended up buying one, okay? That's all. Now, let's use this Indiana Jones kitchen knife to open the box. But first, let me just show you all the box. The sides are just simple. As you can see them, I must put the camera further. Sorry about that. Yeah, it's better now. So, it is what it is. Nothing fancier. It's the usual XFX 5500 XT, RDNA2, DirectX 12 Ultimate, Fidelity FX Super Resolution, Ray Tracing, DDR6, PCI Express 4, blah 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 blah. And then we have the RDNA2 here, gameplay, and high fidelity, okay? And a picture of the card here, which seems fairly nice, if you ask me. Okay, let's open it. Indiana Jones kitchen knife. Done. So much work for this knife. I should raise the salary. Okay. Okay, now we have the black cardboard as usual. Let me just put this here. Black cardboard as usual. Opening it, we have the black foam as usual. And then we have the card, and we have more black foam as usual. Now seriously, we have this, the XFX warranty and the quick guide and so on with the username, codes, and blah blah blah. Then we have this, stop, important driver information. Doesn't matter, it's not that important. And finally we have the card, okay, which looks pretty nice. Let's open it. Okay. It is here. So the XFX 6500 XT. Okay, we have the Radeon logo here. It just have no LEDs, yes, no LEDs, just the Radeon logo. The XFX logo. We have an 8-pin power connector here. Okay, 8-pin only. It's actually, yeah, 6-pin. Damn, I must be getting insane. 6-pin connector only, not even 8-pin, just 6. We don't have dual bias, at least I don't see one here. I don't see any connector here, as usual. So yep, we do not have dual bias, so it's just a singular bias. But the GPU itself looks pretty nice. On the back, we don't have, at least the GPU die is covered, okay? It's usually better to not have it covered for temperatures, but on a GPU like this, you can just have it covered. The back plate is plastic, okay? It's not metal, it's plastic, which is worse usually. So the heat won't be that much, so it just doesn't need that much of heat dissipation, okay? So the plastic backplate is fine, okay? Then we have just one heat pipe here, okay, with a really small and slim heatsink, okay? On the front you can see more of it, more of the heatsink. It's actually, I like the design of the XFX cards, I won't lie, because I do. We have two more heat pipes here, okay, one in the front, one in the back, okay, and as for the front we have just two fans, but they are pretty big, okay? They are not small fans. This card is not that small, this card is big, at least in terms of height, it is pretty big, and the fans are like maybe 100 millimeters, not 120, but 100 millimeters maybe, so they are pretty big for a small card such as this one, okay? Let's just remove the plastic. Okay. It will look much better without any plastic. Oh yes. Oh yes, baby. Just much better. It does look much better with no plastics. With some depth here on the plastic. Like I told you, once again, Radeon logo, XFX logo. On the back, we also have some plastic. Let's take it off as well. Yeah, and it automatically just, bam, it just looks much better, okay? Just looks much better, okay? I may have been mistaken. It actually seems to be metal, okay? I was saying that it was plastic, but it seems to be metal actually, like aluminum. Yeah, at least from the texture, it does seem metal and not plastic. And even from the noise, yep, it seems metal, not plastic. So it is metal. The card does look very good. I mean, there's not really much more to say. The card looks great. Yeah, it looks great, and I'm sure it will perform great as well. Looks beautiful, big fans. As for the inputs and outputs, I mean, this card only has two input and output channels, which is really bad. So we just have one HDMI and one DisplayPort. I think that for a card costing over 200 euros, it should have at least like 4 input output entrances. Basically we just have one DisplayPort and one HDMI. We should have at least 2 DisplayPorts and 2 HDMIs, or 3 DisplayPorts and 1 HDMI, okay? But it is what it is. What matters is that the card performs as intended. Guys, thanks a lot for watching. Sorry about the sound, by the way, because I was recording with the camera's microphone, and in some scenarios it isn't very good, but it is what it is. So thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video with more comparisons. You bet.